Hi, I'm Chef Robert, and today I'd like to show you how to make a fabulous cooked mayonnaise. Before we begin, remember, always wash our hands before cooking. Here are the ingredients we will be using. We have egg yolks, fresh lemon juice, water, salt, dry mustard, sugar, olive oil, and pepper. You will need a whisk, a saucepan, an electric blender, and a rubber spatula. Let us begin by putting our yolks, our lemon juice, our water, our salt, our mustard, our sugar, just a little pepper. We'll get our heat ready. Okay, gonna let this go for just a little bit, just enough to see a few bubbles in the middle. You'll begin to see the steam coming off. Just about there. We'll get our blender over. Once this heats up properly, we have to let it cool back down. And how impressed would your guests be to come over for some made from scratch mayo? We'll turn that off now. We're just going to let this sit and it's going to cool. We'll take it off of the burner. We have 4 minutes of cooling time. Again, just keep stirring. We're not trying to let any curdles form. You want a nice, smooth texture. Just let this cool off. We're gonna let that set for 4 minutes. And I'll be right back with you. Okay, now that our mixture is cooled, our eggs mixture, and notice it's nice and creamy still, we're gonna add it to the blender. Let's set our blender back up. Now, this process, you have to be gentle with it. We wanna slowly add the oil. We'll turn our blender on first, make sure nothing comes out. We'll pick up the speed a little bit. Now, this is a slow process, little at a time. You just want to drizzle. If you pour it all in at once and too quickly, it'll separate and you won't have a good mayo product. Now, we're going to turn it down, turn it off for a minute. We'll scrape it down. Boy, it looks great already. A rubber spatula. Looks good. Set that across there. We'll continue the process to add our last of oil. Let's turn it down so we don't have a mess pop up in my face. Trying to keep an eye on it. Every so often, stop, let the oil blend in. Now we'll finish up with the last. Okay. I'll put this on top for a minute. We're going to increase the speed a little bit just to make sure it's good and incorporated. Turn it off. Let's see what we have here. Boy, look at the creaminess. This deserves a special dish. Now that it's emulsified, the mixture has all come together, you can see, just like as if you went to the store. Now let's put it to the real test. You have the look. Spreads well. Grab a knife. Let's give it that little fancy angle cut. Wow, looks amazing. Now you know how to make your own mayo. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking, everyone.